Hey, I'm Michael Martinez with HomeSmart. I want to personally welcome you to Homebot. This is a very helpful tool where you can run your numbers and see what buying a home might look like for you. You can explore different price points, test down payments, and watch how interest rates may affect your monthly payment. Think of this as a starting point. It shows you exactly what is possible. Now, when you see something you like or you want to try a different scenario, reach out to me and I'll help you understand what the numbers really mean and connect you with the right lender so you're fully prepared. From there, the next step is simple. We'll sit down together, review your goals, build a plan, and map out exactly how to get into your right home. Because preparation is what creates opportunity. And when the right property hits the market, you won't be guessing. You'll be confident, ready, and positioned to win. Your dream, your investment, our focus. Let's make it happen.